YouTube, what's good? Coming back at y'all today with the how to brush 360 waves video. I'm gonna be showing y'all how I brush my waves. It's not too much to it. I'm gonna just show y'all how I brush and come out the rag real quick first. See what the waves hitting like. I ain't did much work today for the waves, but I had a brush session in earlier, but this wolfing session is going well. I'm definitely making progress, but let's get a quick session in. Crown check, crown straight, everything straight. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna keep wolfing it out, keep brushing. I've been brushing a lot with my soft brush lately because I keep my hair laid down. Like when your hair is laid down the right way, you can brush with a soft and it'll still pull your hair. So that's what I've been doing. And the way I keep my hair laid is I don't be like, whenever I told y'all in one of my previous videos, I forgot which video it was, but I was like, whenever you put products in your hair, don't wet your hair because that's what's going to cause overcurl. Like honestly, like if I wet my hair right now and put some 360 style in, my hair is gonna overcurl, and then I'm gonna have trouble laying that down. But that's why I don't wet my hair when I put products in, because I'm trying to keep my shit laid down. And yeah, this here, yeah, back to the point of the video. I'm gonna show y'all how I brush my 360 waves, how I be making the progress I be making, so y'all can make progress like me. But yeah, let's get into it. For the top, first off, I just go straight down. Like the majority of y'all brush, unless you got like 720s or 540s, I don't know which way y'all brush, but I go straight down like this. Straight down, just like that right there for the top and for the sides. I go, my crown is in my crown right here. I start like right here, boom. Just like that. Like these here bristles here. These bristles here need to be hitting like where your crown start, so all of these could hit your scalp. Like so, boom. That's how I get the side. And this here connection point right here, just boom. Just like that. That's how you do that. And then if you're having trouble getting waves on the side, you need to hit your sides like this. Hit it vertical, like with this part of the brush, the vertical part. Not like that. You need to hit it like that. That'll get you progress, I swear. That's what I did for my right side. My right side used to be super weak. That's what I did for my right side. Now my right side be hitting these days. But yeah, the right side, boom. The crown's like right here. Start like right there. Boom. Just go in like that. Connection point. Let me see this mirror. I don't know if y'all can see this mirror, but I can see this mirror. Boom. Connection point, hit it like that. Then get vertical. The more you brush, the better your waves gonna be. And that's facts. So if you slacking and your waves ain't hitting like the way you think they should be, you need to pick up the freaking brush, bruh, and brush some more. It's almost 2020. Start brushing your hair, man. Like, just brush your hair. And then I can see my shit like this. Move the side, the back. Go straight down like that. Straight down, connection point. Y'all know this. Make sure y'all in the connection point. Like, for real. Just like that. And honestly, you can hit the top vertical too if you're really feeling it. It's that simple, but yeah. That's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Got more videos coming. Follow me on Instagram, always spinning23. If you got some video suggestions, leave it down below in the comments. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, leave a like. so I get more people see the videos and good things happen. Everybody get their waves good. And support me. Support me by leaving a like, you feel me? But yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see y'all next video.